Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Titi. If you are new here, please do subscribe, but if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today we'll be doing a 5-minute makeup, an affordable makeup with just 50 rands. You can afford this makeup, so let's get to it. So we'll start with the primer. This is the primer that I'll be using. It is 10 rands from Black Opal Blockbuster. So I'll be applying this primer on my face. Careful not to apply too much. Careful not to apply too much. And avoid touching the eyes with any chemical because they tend to be sensitive. So to close these dark spots, look, these things, I usually use this. It is only 10 rands. It's the Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer from LA Girl. This is also 10 rands. I just put it here to close these things. I'll be using this sponge. You can do this now, Jahil. Doesn't take long. It's just touch-ups here and there. I'm not a makeup specialist, guys. Just used to doing my own makeup. I'm not perfect, but I'm humbling with. I try by all means to look beautiful. You can do this as fast as you can. You should make it even. Should be even. As you can see, guys, this is how I look like after I have applied the concealer. I've tried to close almost all the visible black spots and holes and those pores. Excuse the sound. So now I will be using the Huxia Beauty foundation because my skin is oily. I tend to use the long way full coverage oil control made. This is the foundation that I will be using. This is the foundation. This is also 10 rands. powder 10 rands, foundation 10 rands. You should take your time to spread the foundation evenly using this a beauty sponge. I would recommend using the sponge as compared to the brush. I prefer using this sponge because it does a great job on distributing the makeup on my hair. Make sure you close your eyes, guys, because eyes are sensitive and they are easily damaged. So you don't want to be blind at the end of the day. So try by all means to protect those. I think I've applied too much foundation, but I will have to find a way to control that. And excuse my lightning, guys. It's not that great. It makes me look like I'm too white. Yet that's not the case. It is not the case. It is not the case. This is what I look like after I have applied the foundation. I don't usually do the lashes because they tend to waste a lot of time. Yet I don't usually have much time because I leave the house as early as 5:30 in the morning. So you can imagine, guys, I don't have that much time to do my lashes. So this is the final look, the 5 minutes look, guys, before I hit the road, before I go and park those cars. Because remember, guys, I told you that I'm a parking inspector. So regardless of being a parking inspector, I always have to look good so that those customers will take me seriously. Okay, sorry guys. This is the final look, but I have to do some touch-ups using the powder. This is the super powder. It is just 10 rands, 10 rands, 10 rands, also 10 rands. Forgot to do this so that I can base the foundation. I use this powder to base. I usually do this to get rid of the extra powder that will make me look ashy. Shouldn't apply too much powder. Shouldn't be too much. You're just base, yeah. You see how beautiful I look, guys? You see how beautiful I look? I don't need a lot of things. I just need a concealer, a powder, and a foundation. That's all. Then my red lipstick. Guys, look at my lipstick. Doesn't it look cute? This is my final look. A very easy one, a very affordable one. Then I rock. I go and pack cars. I go and help customers pack cars. And then I get tips for looking beautiful, for looking this beautiful each and every day. So guys, if you liked this video, if you enjoyed watching this video, please like, please comment, and please subscribe. This is me each and every day when I'm on the streets, when I am the parking marshal, when I do the work of being a parking inspector, when I help customers park their cars and help them pay so that I can look after their cars. Guys, a girl must always look beautiful, regardless of the place, regardless of the job, regardless of the time. Always look this beautiful. So guys, please support me, please subscribe, please like, please comment. This is my 5-minute makeup. This is my affordable makeup. This is how I look each and every day. So I'm still a beginner, guys. I hope one day I will be perfect. I hope one day I will be able to do much more than this. Still a beginner, but this is my 5-minute makeup for each and every day. Intombi mayira guys, ilontombo. When it's hot, I also put lizaza. No matter how the situation is, don't forget lizaza. It's hot these days, so guys, always protect yourself. This was my 5-minute makeup, my affordable makeup. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.